on my table. I can't open it, Mommy. Can you help me, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I say thank you when Mommy help me.
I said you're welcome. You're always welcome, my baby.
Now let's do the other. Mommy,
Baby.
can you help me, please?
Okay.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
That's okay, baby.
Mommy, it's almost night.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Come on.
Then
Finish your butterfly.
I have to do the purple color.
Mm-hmm.
Let's both light together.
Red bolt, yeah.
Look, it's the same dollar.
Really?
One for you, one for me.
Mm.
You dollar this one, then I dollar this one.
It's okay, baby.
No,
Mommy
let's
gonna wash
dollar
the dishes.
together.
Thank you. Okay, Mommy will color this one. Then. See, look.
Can you help me?
Here.
I want to dollar this for the bird.
Mm-hmm.
You dollar this for the five.
Okay. You color, Pastor May. Come on. That will be your present for me. I will not look, okay?
Why?
It's a surprise for me, right?
Mhm.
So I'm not gonna look because it's a surprise for me.
What? Mommy, that's the blackbird in the moon. Mommy,
Yes?
can we put perfect presents in the moon? I like it, Mommy, in the moon, and I like study in the sun. Mommy, you the moon, and the mom and daddy the sun. So digital be the sun. Digital be the moon. In the moonlight, I think that's the dollar. Now find the perfect dollar for you. Oh, I love yellow. Mommy,
Baby.
I found the perfect dollar. Yellow. I found the perfect dollar. Yellow. My favorite. Mommy.
You cannot open it? Okay.
Can you help me, please? Thank you.
Okay, here you go. Sit down.
Thank you.
Okay, no worries.
I'm bowing.
You're bowing. That's good.
I'm a princess.
You're a princess. Okay.
Thank you,
You're welcome.
Teacher Majesty. Bowing like a majesty. Austin and stopping. That's what majesty. I think this maybe it might be like the over. So it is perfect. Oh, I know the perfect dollar. Oh, up there. Put it. Okay, it's a perfect. If I put on it, it'll be perfect dollar. For me, I did TP ear. Oh, let's put all these. Oh, the message bow. Oh, the message I put at one ear. Put it here, then put it here. Put it here. Here is, put it here. Put it here. Here is, put it here. Here is. Here is. Put it up. Mommy.
Baby.
It's not yet. I put my first. I put your dart and up there.
That's okay.
You don't made another dart for me.
Is this my...
I don't. If mommy, if that one up,
Baby,
the
always
in the air.
cover it back, okay?
I can't.
So it will not get dry. Finish your butterfly now. You didn't finish it yet.
I just want to put it on here.
Finish it. Come on.
Like, because I messed it